In this video, we're going to cover how to integrate ConvertKit, now known as Kit, into Podpage. So right now I'm on a page here, and this is the Podpage email form. And you can see this by going to Connect, Build a Mailing List, and you'll see under Settings where this is set to collect using Podpage. So what I'm going to do is go into Kit, and this would be under Grow, and come down to Landing Page and Forms. So I just picked this generic one that I have here. And when you go to Publish, you have all these different ways that you can share this. So I'm just going to pick JavaScript and click on Copy. And then I'm going to go into Podpage, and where we're here again under Connect, Build an Email List, and under Settings, I'm going to say I want to use my own custom form. So when I click on that, this box shows up, and all you have to do is right-click and paste that form that you got from Kit, come down and click on Save. And now if I go back to the website, there it is with the Podpage form. I'm going to refresh my screen, and there's the form from Kit. And now when somebody signs up here, it will go directly into your Kit account.